Good morning, we the people. Dare I ask, what the heck is going on out there in Virginia? It is July 9th, 2018. A helicopter crash at a residential structure in Williamsburg killed one person, according to Virginia State Police. Witnesses said they saw the helicopter come falling down. It was reported around 4:40 p.m. Sunday, July 8th. Authorities are working to locate and identify the pilot of the helicopter, state police said. And definitely no word on if it is related to this horrific head-on accident earlier that morning on Interstate 66 involving a, quote, White House military pass holder, end quote. What? I also bring this up because there was a helicopter that was searching the area for the driver who got out of the vehicle and apparently got away. Look at this. Man. Is he a civilian or in uniform? Interesting. Yet another wrong way head-on collision. These are usually always bizarre. Dare I ask, what the heck is going on out there in Virginia? And this is all we have on the matter. Looks like it's on and cracking out there in Virginia. Shout out to all my brothers and sisters in service to others in our military. This has been me, the People Perspectives. Break this news.